Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today I have this very fun geometry challenge for you, and it's about what fraction of the figure is colored. So you can see this is a rectangle from M to N, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such triangles. So pause the video and give this problem a go, and when you're ready, keep watching for the solution. So I quite like this problem, and because I loved it so much, so I added this 6-7 Clash Royale emoji. And if you can solve it within 6.7 seconds, you should type a cupcake emoji in the comments below. So let's try and replicate the diagram again, just roughly. And then the middle, it's M, and then N. Okay, and then we have some triangles. So a triangle here, another triangle there, and then another triangle here, and then another triangle here, and then one last triangle. So I'm going to have to color that. Let's say there's one here, and there's another one here, and then there's another one here, and then here, okay? So we want to find the fraction of the whole rectangle that is shaded. Well, all we have to do is to flip these rectangles onto the other side like this, like each of them. They are at the bottom, so the purple ones, we just flip them up. It is as easy as that. So let's do this. And then this. And then this, right? And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to erase the bottom part so it would be easier to explain what's going on, right? So now the top part, which is already 1/2, right? This is the top bit of rectangle is 1/2 of the whole area. Well, now if I draw more lines here like this, right? And then you can see within this first section, the purple bit is half of this whole shape. And then here, this is also half, this is half, and then this is half again. So and this is half and this is half. And it should make sense because think about the formula for the area of a triangle is what? Well, it is half and then base times height, right? So let's say the base is b and then the height is h. Well, base times height itself is just a rectangle and half of that is the triangle. So all of these triangles on the top is literally half of the whole thing. So all the triangles are now half times a half, which is a quarter. So, or you can use percentage. So 25% of the whole rectangle is colored. And then that's our answer. How amazing. Please do let me know if you solved the video in 6-7 seconds, and I'll give you a cookie. Thank you very much.